Assume a comfortable position. Shut your eyes as you start to relax. Take in a deep breath. Now breathe out. Empty your lungs entirely. And once again, take full, deep breaths, never strained or rushed. Breathe in strength. Breathe out tension. Carry on to relax. Take full, deep breaths. Allow your breathing to discover its own natural, unhurried pace. And as ideas enter your mind, allow them to go without attachment. Your mind has expanded beyond the boundaries of your body, free from physical stress and constraints, where you can experience profound insights and life-transforming breakthroughs. Imagine a place where you feel peaceful and truly yourself. Use all of your senses. And in this place of peace, imagine that coming towards you is you at your fullest potential. Utilize all of your senses. What are you truly like? What qualities do you have inside that reflect themselves to you now? What do you look like? Can you list the qualities of your fullest potential? The love and intelligence that you are? Can you feel the power, the goodness, and the gift of life that you bring? Can you see this potential unfolding in everything you've learned so far? Do you see the mission and the courage and the path you're taking? Get a sense of it for a minute. Tune in. Can you talk to your full potential self? Can you get the message? Does your full potential self have a particular message for you now? You'll find that you can come back anytime you wish to enjoy the peace of this place and commune with your full potential self. Your breathing is unstrained. Relax your toes and feet. Relax your ankles and knees. Relax your leg muscles. Your breathing is deep and relaxing. Relax your fingers and hands. Loosen up your wrists and elbows. Relax your arms. Your breathing is slow and peaceful. Feel your feet and legs get heavy and warm. Feel your hands and arms get warm and heavy. Simply breathe as your thoughts come and go. Center on your breathing. Let go of tension as your body falls into a state of peaceful quiet. Unclench your jaw. Relax your face and let go of your tongue. Your heartbeat and breathing are serene and steady. Your breathing is relaxed. Void your mind of all thoughts. Your abdomen is soft and warm. Your limbs are heavy and warm. Watch your thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. Your hands are warm. Your forehead is cool. And your breathing is deep and relaxed. Feel your breath sink lower and lower into your lungs. As your shoulders drop, feel your breath fill the upper part of your chest. You're relaxed and peaceful. breathing is deep and relaxed. Warm hands, cool forehead. Empty your lungs totally. Hear the silence grow as your mind hushes. You are relaxed, calm, and centered. Your heart rate and breathing are calm and steady. Warm hands, cool forehead. Your breathing is deep and relaxed. Enjoy the quiet. When you know it is time to leave this place, begin to return. Let your breathing bring you back. Gently take a couple of deep breaths. Pause a moment. Remember one last time that you can return to this place anytime you wish. It may only be for a moment, but it will remind you of the sense of peace that's yours. Now open your eyes and feel the goodness of this meditation for a few moments.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you'll be updated when I post a new video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Check the links in the description box below. Have a wonderful day.